Welcome to the Peru Reconstruction Atlas homepage. You can discover and view data that has been collected on the project here. Whilst this is not a complete list of everything, it includes what we think are the most important data sets. If you scroll down to these four cards, you can access processes and standards. Standards are if you need to do anything relating to contractors creating content, or if you yourself are creating content. However, we appreciate that it's probably more tailored towards GIS users than those who are just coming to have a look at information. You can click the project logo to take you back to the home page. And then, scrolling down again, from a data perspective, in here we have a link to the RFI process. We have a log of all incoming data which is stored on Port Arc. And if you'd like to know all the data that we've collected during the programme, then you would click on the UKDT Geospatial Catalogue, and again, that's stored on Port Arc. Here, we have the data discovery, where you can search for all GIS data documents and web maps. You have the choice to search by theme or by typing a word into the search bar. If you type in schools, for example, you will be taken to a results page listing all the GIS content related to schools. The filters on the left allow you to refine your search results by content type or additional keywords. And by clicking on a dataset, you can see further information about it. And here you can view the metadata. Please feel free to come in here and go through some of the frequently asked questions, particularly if you're having any problems or issues that may have been answered previously. Support and training. If you have any additional support requests, then you can click on this tab where you are introduced to the GIS team and can fill out a GIS assistance request form. Scrolling down to the bottom of this page, this map allows you to view the location of all the Peru reconstruction projects and to gather some information. Zoom and pan to explore the projects and click on a point to open up a pop-up containing the project's details. This is an abstract of the project list that is kept on Port Arc, and Port Arc is always the most up-to-date version. If we scroll back up to the top, you can use these three cards to learn more about work package-specific geospatial content. Simply click on the work stream you're interested in. For example, we can explore education. Here, we have the contact information for the primary GIS contact, and then we can go in here to explore the map. Once you're in the map, there are various features you can use to navigate around the map, such as zoom in and zoom out, or use your mouse to zoom to a feature. To find out more information, click on a point to open up a pop-up containing more details. The Home button allows you to return to your original viewing extent. In the top right of the map, you can access the legend. You can also change the base map. Choose from a selection of base map styles and imagery. The next button opens the layers list, where you can add various layers of data, such as this climate data. Continue to explore the map zooming in and panning around. At the bottom of the screen, you can access the attribute table. Here you can continue to explore the data in the map. The data shown in this table only includes the data from your current viewing extent. Here we are viewing the full extent, so all the data is here. If you select a row, you will see it become highlighted on the map. You can use the zoom to move closer to that feature. And then you can clear this using clear selection. There is also some advanced functionality down here. For example, the measure feature can be used to measure the distance between any 2 points. This could be a school and another feature on the map, such as a hazard. Simply click on the ruler and select points on the map, double-clicking to complete this measurement. There is also a select function and an ability to search for coordinates. Finally, if the data you require is not already in the map, you can use the Add Data button to add or remove layers as you please. Here, I'm going to add in the Education Schools Master Plans. Any new layers will be added to the layers list. That is all for today. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.